In a sensational development in the rape case against former Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna, his former driver Karthik has now given an explosive statement before the Special Court for Public Representatives, shedding light on alleged obscene content found on Revanna's phone. Karthik, who worked with the Revanna family since 2009, first as a driver for HD Revanna and later for Bhavani Revanna and Suraj Revanna, said he began working as Prajwal Revanna's driver in 2018. He regularly accompanied Prajwal during election campaigns. Karthik told the court that Prajwal often watched obscene content on his phone during travels. On one occasion, when they visited Prajwal's girlfriend's house in Jayanagar, the MP left his phone in the car. According to Karthik, the phone contained around 2,000 obscene photos and 40 to 50 videos, of which 30 to 40 featured women in explicit situations. He copied the content onto a device to show Prajwal's mother, Bhavani Revanna, hoping she would intervene and counsel her son. However, when she later confronted Prajwal, she reportedly revealed Karthik's name as the source. He said that after an argument with Prajwal, he quit in 2022 and later filed a property dispute case. Karthik claimed that Prajwal attempted to lure him back with promises to settle the dispute, but later secured a restraining order to prevent him from disclosing any of the videos. After being made a respondent, Karthik contacted advocate Devaraje Gowda and submitted photos and videos on a pen drive as evidence. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Wajiullah, who joins me live with more details on the same. Wajiullah, shocking details now coming in fact, coming to light. Now, Prajwal Revanna's driver, Karthik, has given an explosive statement before the Special Court for Public Representatives, saying that, Prajwal's behavior has remained objectionable from the very start, and he also has informed his mother, Bhavani Revanna, of the same. Do go ahead and give us all the details about what we know of, in fact, about the case so far.
Absolutely, Neha. The details mentioned by you is the explosive testimony of Karthik in court today. This is one of the most important testimonies that has been given so far in this particular case, keeping in mind that Karthik is also somebody with close proximity to the Revanna family. He's been with them from 2009, first with the father, then with the mother, and then subsequently with Suraj. And in the statement, he clearly mentions how there were so many videos that were there in the phone of Prajwal Revanna, and he had the obsession of watching all these kinds of videos, is what the driver has also mentioned in his statement too. But what is even more explosive is that he had also given these details to the mother of Prajwal Revanna with regards to all these videos, and despite doing that, Bhavani Revanna just advised his son, but did not take any action. In fact, it revealed the name of the person who had given her these videos, which intended kept Karthik's life in difficulty because Karthik had then left the job, and then he was also lured to come back to the job with regards to the fact that they would he was made to sign one document in which restraining orders to stop him from revealing these videos. So all these things clearly indicate that the Revannas knew about it. The driver who initially went missing was Karthik, and he is one of the most important testimonies to this entire thing. And now with the statement that he's given with regards to the videos that were seen in the phone, clearly indicates that his statement was important and is exclusive also.
Like, Vaji, also do tell us, what does this really mean for the investigation going forward?
Going forward, now the police will have to collaborate every piece of evidence with regards to the statement that he has given. It is now their job to make sure that they have these evidences in court for the judge to make a decision on Revanna, because these statements can sometimes can flip also. There is always a tendency that the person who's given statement has the possibility of flipping. So now the police will have to collaborate all physical evidences to match with his statement with regards to be it 2,000 videos that he's talking about, 2,000 photos and 40 to 50 videos that he had on his phone. So all these things will now be a part of investigation. The police will have to see which phone was used, because Prajwal Revanna will always question the fact that which phone was he talking about. I've used so many phones. Which is the phone that he had an idea about my password. So all these things will be something that the police will now have to piece together to make a strong case against Prajwal Revanna.
And also, Vaji, do tell us, what's next in the case. So when is the next hearing and are there more witnesses lined up?
So you need to know that there are close to 3 cases going against the Revannas. One is this extortion. You also have a case of kidnapping against them. So all these cases clubbed together have different dates, and because we are seeing the case running on fast track, also we are having the hearing on it on an everyday basis, and we will be hearing the special court will be deciding on the future of this case. So far, Karthik, one of the drivers, has given testimonies. You have the testimonies of the victims also that will be taken into consideration, and that is when a larger picture or a larger nexus of this entire case will come to light.